In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Strava activity on Instagram, whether you want to post it on your story or share it as a regular post. I'll walk you through the steps. First, open the Strava app. Then tap on You in the bottom right corner and find the activity you want to share. I'm going to choose this evening run. Next, scroll down and tap the share icon. From here, you can browse through the available templates and pick the one you like. You'll also see different sharing options, such as sending it to your Instagram story or direct messages. I'm going to choose Instagram story and then tap Open your activity. We'll now load directly into the Instagram story editor. You can add text or any stickers you want, and then simply tap your story in the bottom left. And that's all there is to it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.